it's Tammy, and I have a small haul here from Yankee Candle. Now, I am not a huge Yankee Candle fan, and the fact that it seems like a lot of the candles don't have much of a throw at all, and they're so expensive that I really kind of enjoy the smaller shops a little bit better, like the mom and pop shops that you can find online. And I've done hauls on those. But they did have a sale, and they had a lot of these wax melts for $1. So I did go ahead and get some of those. I think that those are pretty decent most of the time. I do like the melts. And then I also love the Vineyard scent candle. So I got, I believe, one of those. And then this is all my receipt stuff. And then I also do love their, my goodness, my dog, their wax melt, what is it called? Like the little thing that actually melts the wax, whatever that's called. Because a lot of them will have a timer, or you can purchase one with a timer so that it will turn off in however many hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, or 9 hours, I think are the choices that are on my ones with timers. And so I got one to put centerpiece, that's what they call them. I got one to put in the family room. I have a wax melt burner, but it's not on a timer. So again, since I like those so much, I went ahead and got one. This is actually a really pretty color. It's kind of like an aqua blue. I keep putting this back and I keep needing it. I'm just going to leave it out. And yes, this one has 3, 6, and 9 hours. And this is it. I mean, it's pretty basic. And then it has the little just timer here. And these were on special. You can get them for like $15 to $20. So you can also spend more than that too. But then you take the lid off of the wax melt, and then you just put that in like that. And it does a fabulous job. Now what I do is I also take, after the wax has melted and no longer smells, I take the wax out and I put in my own wax melt. And it works out fabulously. This smells amazing. This is orange and evergreen. Oh, that is awesome. I love that scent. I'm going to save that one for the fall, probably. Even winter would be good, but I couldn't help it. These were on sale too. I think that these were like $2.50 or something, and I think it's because they're kind of off season. This one is Sugared Pumpkin Swirl. Oh, that smells really good too. So there's those. Now you can see that this has quite a bit of wax in it. It's more than just a wax melt, but I seem to do okay with my wax melts if I just add one to the burner. So let's see, I got several different scents. This one is Home Sweet Home. I love the cinnamon scent of that. I also got a lavender, which is very nice. And Peaches and Cream. That one's nice. And Lilac. I love lilac. And Lemon Lavender. I can smell a little bit of lemon in that one. And then I got 2 Vineyards, because I said these are one of my very favorite scents. This one is Sweet Nothings. It smells a little bit soapy. Midnight Jasmine, which kind of smells like a little clean smelling. It smells nice from what I can tell. Clean Cotton. Very clean, very nice. That's a very crisp, nice, clean scent. Mediterranean Breeze. That's a very nice, clean kind of a scent as well. Maybe a little bit beachy. And Soft Blanket. I can't really smell that one. can't really smell that one, so I'm not sure how that one is. And then I have this one is Color Me Happy. I think I'm smelling this patchouli one. That's nice. No, it's not the patchouli that I'm smelling. This one is Color Me Happy, but it smells like kind of herby or like earthy. Pink Sands is a nice scent, but I really can't smell it very much. But I do like that scent. It's just, again, the throw is so poor on some of them. Meadow Showers. Can't really say much. Wildflower Blooms. I'm trying to find a space that has an opening. Now this one smells really good. This one does smell like wildflowers, like you were in a park or whatever. That one smells really good, but I bet the throw isn't very good on it. This one is, because it's very light scented right on it. This one is Kitchen Spice. Yeah, it smells like nutmeg and cinnamon. It's very good. But again, it's a very light scent. This one is Strawberry Lemon Ice. Can't smell it. And finally is a Pineapple Cilantro. Gosh, and I don't really smell that either. So it's kind of sad when you can't even smell it when it's like in its form. Now sometimes when you take it out of the packaging, you can smell it a little bit. But you just kind of get the feeling that the throw is going to be really poor if you can't even smell it when you're sticking it right next to your nose. So, I mean, I'll still burn them or melt them, but yeah, it's kind of odd. But this is really nice, and this is the whole reason that I did it. I got the extras mostly so that I could get free shipping too, and because they were $1, I think it was like if I spent $8 more, I could get free shipping, and that would save me $10. So really, it was almost like getting all of these free and just paying shipping, kind of, if you are following me. I know us girls kind of have a weird way of doing math sometimes to make it worth our while to buy more, but I do really love these two. This one is awesome, so I'm excited about that. Now, I did also get this, and I think that this is just a really small vineyard candle. Which is a-okay with me. Yes. Oh, I love this scent. It's grape, kind of. I don't know any other way to say it. I guess it's like wine or grape juice, something like that. It's so yummy. I love the smell of that. So that is fun. It's just a little candle. So that was what I got from Yankee Candle, and I am excited to use it. I know that these two are going to be a lot of fun to burn, and then the melts will be fine too. It's just that they don't have a lot of throw, but I do find that the melts tend to have a little more throw than the candles do. So I am leaning toward the melts. So thanks a bunch for watching. I hope that you guys like that this helped you a little bit, maybe helping you decide on, you know, what you should get if you decide you want anything from Yankee Candle. And they do have really good sales. I really would suggest not buying anything unless it's on sale, because they do have good sales. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.